Hi, I'm Greg Joyce, CEO of Anchor Cars. We're a family business started by my father back in the 80s and now run by myself and my brother Simon Joyce. We've grown to a 5-acre site with over 500 vehicles in stock. Come and meet my team, come and meet my company.
Hi, welcome to Anchor Cars. My name's Andrew Parmenter, I'm the General Manager. Come and meet my sales team.
Hello, my name's Julian McKenna. I'm a sales executive for Anchor Cars and I've been here since January 2020.
Hi, my name's Aston, I'm a salesman. I've been here since June 2021.
Hello, my name's Johnny, I'm a salesman and I joined in April 2022.
Welcome to Anchor Cars, where excellence meets experience. With over 30 years in the motor industry, we take pride in delivering the highest quality new and used cars across the UK. Our commitment goes beyond the sale. We prioritise your satisfaction, providing a seamless and trustworthy buying experience. Our team is dedicated to guiding you through every step, making your car purchase a seamless process. Our wide selection of vehicles is a testament to our passion for excellence. And rest assured, each car is meticulously inspected for quality and performance. Our nationwide delivery service ensures that your dream car is delivered right to your doorstep. Your convenience is our priority. We believe there's a perfect car for everyone. We cater to diverse preferences and budgets. Whether you're seeking luxury or practicality, Anchor Cars has the ideal vehicle waiting for you. Elevate your driving experience with Anchor Cars.